story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm out with my girls and we are downtown Atlanta. Y'all get you? Say hi YouTube. She's crazy, she's a crazy one. She's sick.
Hello, you phone. Shut y'all.
So yes guys, I'm gonna take you on a day run with us. I hope I'm not getting no music in the background or something like that, because I don't want to get any copyrights. So how you guys doing? Saturday, I know not gonna miss me. Not doing any live, but I'm gonna keep y'all updated. No, sir, this is just hot. Where is this just so?
I'm not gonna lie to you. It's right under your batting wall.
Sir, never want to look at it,
I guess, because I don't know. I didn't. Sam hasn't texted back. He said.
guys, go for me after your walk go.
No.
Oh, you don't so. Guys, you know for where walk go? I reach, could I? Guys, went to the spot on this so. What you say, Mother? What's the dance again? You too! That's a crazy one. Guys, so we'll come back at the car. Because we have to wait 2 hours down there, so we're gonna go to a hookah spot and then go back to the restaurant. Or we might just stay at the hookah spot, depends. No? Yo. In the car. Say hi, Paris.
Hello.
She crazy, you know? She not really have much sense. I never see her.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
House of Hooker. You know
Who is it?
Dumb.
No, I did not.
Where is that? Dumb. Guys, this is in the city. Paris, I go come out. Woo. So yes, guys, we're going to House of Hooker. In a smoky bad. You just hold it with your hands.
Keep left, then merge onto I-75 South.
To Malou, skip to Malou. Yeah. Guys, this is my friend Paris. This is the crazy one. She's Paris. So yes guys, as you can see, currently we're well on turn. She don't have a club and she have one with herself now. She have one big time with herself. Me not carry feelings. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please remember to do so. Guys, I'll be keeping you guys updates on what I do over the weekend. Please remember, subscribe to my channel. Also, run over to C&G Daily Updates. That's C&G Daily Updates. And also, Bia's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. I want you to check out them channel left for me. Yes, so guys, you can go over Bado Blacks music. So, check out my bro, Bado Blacks. Make sure to check out his music because him have a bag of things that go on over there. On him channel, that's Bado Blacks music. Guys, I'm telling us a girl have fun. Girl have really fun. She was turned up, guys. I had so much fun. We went to like 3 different spots. I didn't really use my phone a lot. That's why I missed a lot of what was going on, you know. And I know most definitely some of those music would have been copyright, but me not thinking that, oh girl, you could do a voice over. But anyway, this is some clip from what happened last night, and I have lots of fun, lots and lots of fun. I miss you guys though on YouTube. So no know so not gonna see me tomorrow, right? Or not gonna see me tomorrow. I'm live in the night. On the reach this far in the video and really not subscribe it. Come on man, do better. You subscribe it, make sure you subscribe, and please to click that post notification button so you be the first to get notified when I drop a video. Guys, I was so turned up. When I tell the girl turn up, she did turn up. She go on with a bag of things, she dance. Listen, only if you was there with me. Yes, only did that with me now. Only did that with me. Only did that with me. Yeah, but trust me, I miss you guys so much. You know, I want to bless up each and every one. Whether I found a YouTuber or if I'm not a YouTuber, I love each and every one of you guys. You know, I want to go and bless up on yourself. You understand? Go and doing what you're doing. You understand? And as me telling you guys, check out my sister channel, Bia's Kitchen and Lifestyle, and check out my bro channel, Bado Blacks music. Also guys, I want to check out Life of Jeremy. I want to check out the channel for me. It's called Life of Jeremy. I want to check it out and make him know say life with Corey good as send, you know. Yes guys. So guys, I know that you are enjoying my video. As you can see, I took some good time. Oh my God, we was having so much fun. The party was lit. I know this video is a bit dark, but guys, I have to take you on this little journey with me. Guys, please remember to subscribe to my video, like my video, share my video, tell a friend about my video, tell them about Life with Corey. Share it on all your platforms. Share my video on Facebook, Twitter, just share it all over the place. IG, just take a look at clip. And if you want a shout out, just take a clip from a video and post it over on IG and tag me in it at Corey_Goodas, and I will definitely give you a shout out. So if you want a chance to get a shout out, you're gonna take a clip from my video and post it on Instagram and tag me into it. Corey_Goodas. That's Corey_. Guys, I am back home. I'm at my friends. Guys, I am Frost. Had a good time. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corey. Bye guys, I am out.